Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Mathsman YouTube channel. In this video today we are going to be converting fractions that have different denominators so that they have the same denominator. Now this is a key skill that is needed for being able to add fractions with different denominators, but it does have other uses. So in this video I'm going to be showing you two different options that you have. Okay, so option one is the more simpler, I think, way of doing it, and option two is a little more skilled. Okay, but anyway, we're going to be doing the same question, which is 1/4 add 1/6. So, and on one side I'm going to be showing you how to do it using option one, method one, and on the other side I'm going to be showing you how to do it using method two. So here we have 1/4 add 1/6. Now the easiest way to change two fractions that have different denominators is simply to multiply the two denominators together. Okay, and then you will find a common multiple. Okay, so 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, now if I just go ahead and put the numerator as 1 and 1, then that's going to be wrong. That's a common mistake. What I now need to figure out to get the numerators right is how many times did I multiply 4 to get 24? Well, I multiplied it 6 times. So I need to go 1 times 6, and that gives me the correct numerator. How many times did I have to multiply 6 to get 24? I had to multiply it 4 times, so I have to multiply 1 4 times as well. So 1 times 4 is 4, and there I've just converted the two fractions into the same denominator. Now that looked easy, and it is an easy way, but if I go ahead and work out the final answer, so 6 add 4 is 10 24ths. Now that is the correct answer, but it's not in the lowest form, because the lowest form of this would be 5 12. So that is the lowest form answer. Okay, now if with method 2 I should get the lowest form answer straight away, and I would actually miss out this final stage. Okay, so the easiest with method 2, I take a look at the two denominators, 4 and 6, and I think about, I can write down the 4 times table: 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. 6 times table: 6, 12, 18, 24. And I look for a number that is in both lists and the lowest number. So I can see 24 and 24 is in both lists, and I can see 12 and 12 is in both lists. Now I want the lowest number in both lists, and we call that the LCM, or the lowest common multiple. So that's going to form my denominator. Okay, and then similar to what happened over here, I say, well, how many times did I multiply 4 to get 12? I multiplied it 3 times. Whatever you do to the denominator, you must do to the numerator. So I'm going to multiply that by 3. 1 times 3 is 3. How many times did I have to multiply 6 to get 12? I had to multiply it twice. So I need to multiply the numerator twice. 1 times 2 is 2. And if I add this up, 3 plus 2 makes 5. And the denominators we don't add. And there you go, I've got 5 12ths, which is the same answer as here, but I didn't have this step here. I missed this step out because I'd already calculated the lowest common multiple. Okay, so there's two different ways of converting fractions so they have the same denominator. And I also showed you there how it can be used, how that skill can be used to add fractions with different denominators. Hopefully it was helpful for you. If it was, then please smash that like button. And if you'd like more free maths lessons and tips from a qualified teacher, then hit that subscribe button.